Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how to configure the basic VLAN configuration. The learning objectives of this is to create VLANs, assign switch ports to a VLAN, verify VLAN configuration, enable tracking on inter-switch connection, verify trunk configuration, and save VLAN configuration. To start, make your network topology. Prepare your VLSM and prepare your IP addressing table. Each In my topology, I have two switch. Each switch connected with two PC and have different VLAN assignment. We will use in our topology a class B IP address. After we prepared our network topology, we will now be configuring the VLANs on the switch. To start, we will create VLAN on switch 1. Type enable, enter, and type configure terminal. Use the VLAN ID command in global configuration mode to add a VLAN to a switch. There are three VLANs configured to this tutorial: VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 99. VLAN 99 as our management or our management native VLAN. After create the VLAN, you will be in the VLAN configuration mode, where you can assign a name to the VLAN with the name VLAN name command. To start, type VLAN, then the VLAN ID, then name, sample, teacher, VLAN 20, name, student, VLAN 99 as our management VLAN, management. To verify the VLAN have been created on switch 1, use a show VLAN brief command to verify that the VLANs have been created. Type show VLAN brief. After the configuration of VLAN on switch 1, we'll also create VLAN on switch 2. To start, type enable, again, configure terminal, and type VLAN 10, name, again teacher, VLAN 20, name, student, VLAN 99 as management. Sorry, I forgot. Name, management. And again, to show or to verify the VLAN have been created, we will now type show VLAN brief and see. I have created again 3 VLANs. After we configure VLAN on switch 1 and switch 2, we'll be assigning switch ports on VLAN and on switch 1 and 2. So refer to the port assignment on your topology. I have fast Ethernet 0/3 and 0/4 as our mode access. Ports are assigned to VLAN's interface configuration mode using switch port access VLAN ID command. You can assign each port individually, or you can use interface range command to simplify this task. After, save your configuration. To start, Let's go to switch 1 first. Type enable, type configure terminal, type interface, fast ethernet, /3, type switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. VLAN 10 assigned on our fast ethernet /3. So again, we'll type interface, fast ethernet, /4. We'll assign this fast ethernet to mode access and assign VLAN 20 in this port. Switch port, access, VLAN 20. Type N. To save, copy, startup dash config, uh, copy, running, copy, running, config, startup, config, to save the configuration. Again, to determine which ports have been added, type show VLAN. Again, we have configured on switch 1. We also configured on switch 2. Type interface, fast ethernet, /3. Again, fast ethernet /3 is an access. Then we will be configure VLAN 10 on /3. Switch port, access, VLAN 10. Type interface, fast ethernet /4. Switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 20. Type N. Shortcut of saving the configuration is right, and to show VLAN ID been added, type like configure each switch, each VLAN. After we configure access VLAN, we will now be going to assign the management VLAN. A management VLAN is any VLAN that you configure to access the management capabilities of a switch. VLAN 1 serves as a management VLAN. If you do not specifically define another VLAN, you assign management VLAN an IP address and subnet mask. A switch can be managed via HTTP, Telnet, and others. Because the out-of-the-box configuration of a Cisco switch has VLAN 1 as a default, VLAN 1 is a bad choice as a management VLAN. You can do not want an arbitrary user who is connecting to a switch to default to a management VLAN. To start, let's go to switch 1. Go to type enable again, configure terminal, type interface VLAN 99. The IP address of it is 172.17.99.11.5.255.255.0. no shutdown. Type N, exit. We'll be going to switch to type enable, configure terminal, type interface. Same as we do on switch 1, interface, VLAN 99, IP address 172 with a different IP address, of course, 7.99.12.255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Type and to save, just type right. Assign a management address, allow IP communication between switches, and also allow any host connected to a port assigned to VLAN 99 to connect the switches. Because VLAN 99 is configured as VLAN, any ports assigned to VLANs are considered management ports and should be secured to control which devices can connect to these ports. After we have configured the management VLAN, we're going to configure tracking and the native VLAN for tracking ports on all switches. Trunks are connection between the switches that allow the switches to exchange information for all VLANs. By default, a trunk ports belong to all VLANs, as opposed to an access port which can only belong to a single VLAN. To start, use the interface range command in global configuration mode to simplify configuring trunking. We'll go to switch 1 first. Type enable, configure terminal, type interface range fast ethernet 0/1 to 2. Switch port type switch port, mode trunk, switch port trunk, native VLAN 99 is our VLAN, no shutdown. Type and we'll be going again to switch 2. Type configure terminal, type again interface range fast ethernet 0/1 again to 2. Type switch port, mode trunk, switch port trunk, native VLAN 99. Type no shutdown and type right to save. To verify, the trunks have been configured with the show interface trunk command. Type and switch to show interface trunk. I've configured native VLAN. If I forgot, we'll verify again. Type show interface trunk. type right, save. After we configure the native VLAN, we'll be going to configure IP of each PC. Start. Type. Oh, forgot 172.17.10.21. 20, VLAN 10, I mean 5.72.17.10.22. On VLAN 20, type 172.17. The IP configuration that I have typed comes from my addressing table. So you must have an IP addressing table to put on this IP address on PC. Again, I will now finishing our IP configuration on each PC. Before we go to ping each PC, we'll be ping each switches. Thereby the switch communicate between the third ping and the IP address on the other PC type. Other switch I mean 17.99.12. Again, the switches are now being communicated successfully. Now we will be sending a packet to PC10 2020 ping 172.17.10.22. I've been successfully ping V10 VLAN 10 to VLAN 10 and the other. I have been successfully configured all VLANs. So I show this is how the basic VLAN configuration. Just start by. Thank you.